Hey, if you're shopping online and stumbled across Emily and Rose Toronto, or maybe Anna Rose, Emma and Rose, or even Olivia Rose Toronto, pause for a sec. Because as of April 2026, these shops are making headlines. And not in a good way. Let's break it down. Emily and Rose claims to be a cute, local Toronto boutique. They even sometimes say they're Indigenous owned or a small Canadian business. But in reality, orders are shipping straight from China. That's your first red flag. Now, let's talk quality. Real customers are saying the clothes look nothing like the Instagram photos. Think cheap synthetics, off sizes, and shoddy stitching. And if you're thinking, well, I'll just return it, brace yourself. The return policy? It's a trap. You'll need to ship your order back to China, which can cost more than what you paid in the first place. Most people get offered a tiny partial refund just to go away. And if you're waiting for your order, you might be waiting a while, or forever. Reviews mention shipping delays over 3 weeks, and some never get their stuff at all. Here's another sneaky move. These shops delete negative comments from their social media pages and run tons of ads on Instagram and Facebook. When things get too hot, they just change their name and start over. If you've already ordered, don't panic, but act fast. Contact your bank and try to get a chargeback. Report their ads to Facebook or Instagram so others don't fall for it. And always double check with the Better Business Bureau or the Canadian Anti-Fraud Center before clicking buy. Oh, and just so you know, they're a real Emily Rose Cafe in Toronto. It's a coffee shop, not a clothing store, and totally legit. So next time you see one of these Toronto boutiques pop up, think twice.